Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to go out in my yard. It's a sunny day. It's been raining all week and today the sun has come out. I'm going to go fly my drone, which is a DJI Mavic Air II. I have the smart controller with it. Is that what it's even called? I don't remember, but this is the best drone I've ever owned. I've never done a video on it. I've had it for a while, but the sun's out, and due to where we live, I'm going to go out and film the woods, film from the sky, see how far I can go with it. And I'm going to share this video and experience with you. If you're thinking about a drone, the DJI Mavic Air II is indeed the best drone I've ever owned. I've owned quite a few of them over the years. I've filmed with quite a few over the years. This one to me beats out the Mavic Pro. And using that external controller with it is just so nice to use out in sunny days. So let's head out. Instead of me sitting here talking your ear off for an hour, let's just head out, fly this drone, and see what kind of footage I can get with it around here. Should be fun. So that was a lot of fun getting out and flying the drone around my property here. Now it's pretty cool how just flying around the woods here, the footage from the DJI Mavic Air II looks super cinematic. And I know that's a hot topic for the last few years. Cinematic, right? Everybody wants cinematic video. Well, all I did to make that look cinematic was basically do some color correction. I shot it in D-Cinelike. I added some LUTs over the footage. I put some widescreen bars on it, and I added some dramatic music. And there you go, you have some instant cinematic footage. I have to say though, the DJI Smart Remote is awesome. It takes the experience up 20 notches for me personally. Now, when I had DJI drones of the past, I always became frustrated using my phone because it would eat my battery of the phone. It was hard to see in daylight. On hot days, my phone would overheat. So the smart controller, even hooking up the drone or starting up the drone, you power up the drone, you power up the controller, within 20 seconds, everything is hooked up and you're ready to fly. There's no opening an app, there's no doing all of that nonsense. So I could highly recommend the DJI Smart Controller. It's costly, but if you're really into flying drones and you love flying drones and it's something you do often, it's a wise investment. I'm so glad I bought the Smart Controller a while back because it truly does amp up the experience. There's stress-free, basically, shooting and filming with your drone because you can see the screen, even in sunlight. If there's bright light, you could still see the screen. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just kind of fun for me today to get out and shoot some footage. The sun came in, then it went out, then it came in. So in the footage, you see some of it's sunny, some of it's not. We're still having a little bit of gloom here, but it is, winter time. We're heading into December here real soon. So anyway, if you guys like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. I'm pumping out more videos here in the future, and there'll be more like this one that are just fun. So thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Bye.